I'm so excited. I have been waiting on this package for a couple weeks. It's here. Okay, let me get it. Hey y'all, so welcome back to the vlog. I know I missed a week. Yeah, I think I missed a week of the weekly vlog, but I'm still here. I'm not leaving y'all. I did try to put out other content so y'all will know that I'm still here. Vlogging has just been a little bit of a lot because I've had quite a bit going on the last couple of weeks. And I wasn't sure, I really just didn't have the time to vlog and edit and all of that, but I'm pushing forward, making the time, because like I told y'all, this is what I want to do, and I just want to bring y'all along for the journey so you'll see what it's like, again, building a business and trying to grow a brand. I know I say this every vlog, I'm sorry, but these past couple of weeks have been real life situations going on. I have lost a family member. Another family member has been ill and in the hospital, and still having to work and take care of family on top of that, and still trying to build a business and be creative in the midst of it all. And yeah, it's been a lot, but that's part of it. Life is going to keep lifing, and when we figure out what it is that we're supposed to do, we cannot let anything stop us. So I'm still here. So yeah, and I've been still pushing forward and getting it done. So I'm proud of me for that. But as you can see, I am in the office. Well, if y'all don't know, I'm in the office. Y'all might see a little bit of what's going on behind me. I got packages on packages. If y'all saw the very last video, then you know I put out an Amazon haul so y'all can see some of the things that have been purchased for the office. Well, honey, let me tell you, those things are in. The office is looking good, but we still have some final things over here to put up. I'm so excited. I cannot wait for y'all to see this. I feel like I don't know, you know, I've decorated rooms, but I feel like I decorated this room for real. So yeah, welcome back to the vlog. I want to show y'all so bad. Y'all know what's hard, like when I'm vlogging, I'm trying not to, and I'm walking through the house or walking past the office, I'm trying not to get the office, trying not to show y'all everything, because y'all got to see it in the end when it's all put together. And that's hard to do. So right now I'm just kind of doing it from an angle where I know you see the tree or whatever, but y'all done seen trees before. So yeah, that's been hard, trying to hide it from y'all, but it's all good. It's coming soon. I think, actually, now that I think about it, it might be the next video, because since this big package right here was one of the last ones that I was waiting on, and I was thinking that it was going to take a while, but it came a little earlier. So I'm trying to make sure. I'm waiting on one more item, but that should be here this week. So this was the biggest holdup. So I think we good. I think we good, y'all. I really do. So I think the very next video that's going to come out is going to be the office reveal. Am I missing something? I think so. So I don't want to promise it to y'all and it's not, but I'm pretty sure we got everything. I'll go back and look at my orders and all of that, make sure I'm not missing anything, but I'm pretty sure we got everything. So the next video, it should be the office reveal. I'm excited. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna what am I about to do? I'm about to create some content, because I wanted just to create separate content for some of the things that's happening in the office. So that's what I'm about to do. So yeah, let's do that. And so I'm just doing a little bit of makeup today. I know most times when I film content, sometimes I just do it on the fly, and however I'm looking, that's what y'all get, because real is better. Y'all know we don't walk around our houses all made up and stuff all the time. But sometimes if it's content ideas that if I want to do it for, if I want to do something for a brand, and maybe I want it to, you know, look professional or whatever, or just kind of want some, maybe want the brand to notice me, then I'm going to try to spruce it up a little. So that's what I'm doing right now. So for that large piece that I showed y'all in the front, that large box is actually some artwork. So I bought some very nice contemporary black art, and I really just wanted to make some content for it, and I'm not being paid to do it at all, to get out there or to be noticed. If you have brands that you like, then you start making content around what you like and just make it organically, and then the brands notice you. And what'll happen is, what am I trying to say? Oh, okay, so sometimes like people will, when they're trying to get into content creation or working with brands, sometimes people will just DM the brand like, hey, I'm such and such, I want you to pay me to post the videos about your brand. But it's better and more organic if it's a brand that you like and you're already using or you're already purchasing from that brand, if you make content without them paying. So when you do ask for payment in the future, they can go to your page and say and see like, oh, okay, she's been using us, she really does rock with us. And then they're more likely to respect that and to use you because they see that you are a real genuine customer. So, and it's just about building relationships. Just like in a regular relationship, you're not going to go up to somebody that you don't know like, hey, I'm such and such, give me, you know, whatever it is that you're asking for. No, you build a relationship with the brand just like you build a relationship with the customer. Let it be natural, let it be organic, and let it be real. But anyway, let me throw some more makeup on this face. I'm going to change into an outfit real quick, and then we're going to make a couple of reels. And yeah, we're going to get them reels going. Okay, y'all, I'm ready. Oh, see, I almost about to show y'all the office. Okay, look, but I just threw on this dress, put on some earrings. See, alrighty. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna do, y'all know the type of reel where I'm not sure if I'm just gonna like walk past and like, you know, the wall is empty and then touch the wall and then the artwork is up. So I'm thinking I might do something like that. I'm thinking I might be a little bit more extra. I got this fabric and I might like throw it up and then let it come down and then the pictures are on the wall. Something like that. Anyway, but yeah, so this is what I'm gonna wear. So yeah, I tried to kind of get a little dressed up because baby, these pictures deserve it. Okay, so let me open them up. And I know this is crazy because now I'm about to have to put up pictures in this dress. Maybe I'll take it off real quick and put up the pictures. Anyway, here we go. Alright, so y'all know what, because y'all been rocking with me, I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek because y'all really have been rocking with me and waiting for this office makeover. So I got them up, I got the reel done, I'm rushing to work right now, but let me just show y'all real quick how nice these pictures are. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I had them. Let me. Listen. Okay, that's all y'all getting. That's all y'all getting. Listen, y'all, these pictures are so good. I love them so much. But let me get my butt to work. I cannot wait. I got so many more Amazon boxes and stuff here to unpack. I'm probably gonna be up all night. I go to work at 4. I get off at like 12:30, 1 in the morning, and I'm sure when I get home tonight, I'm gonna be here in the office because I gotta get it done. Anyway, let me get ready for work. I'll holler at y'all. It's morning and I slept the night away. Good morning. I am, you know what? Let me stop lying. Good afternoon. I am bright-eyed and bushy-tailed because I slept a long time. I woke up at noon. Yes, noon. Because guess what? Last night, guess what I did? Stayed up and worked in the office until like 3:45 this morning. But anyway, I'm up. I feel fine. I feel fabulous. I do have to go up in here and hang a couple of lights. I think that's it. That's about all. Y'all know what hasn't stopped though? Life. I was telling y'all yesterday or the other day, set y'all down. It's been a lot lately with my family and friends and stuff going on, and guess what? Stuff is still going on, but guess what? We gonna keep pushing through it. We're gonna do what we can and be there for our family, and then we're gonna come back here and also be here for us as well. So life is still lifing. Right now, I'm about to make me some bacon and I'm about to go get me something because we don't have no more eggs. All we got is bacon and I'm not eating bacon by itself. So let's see what I can go find breakfast like at 1:14 in the afternoon. Y'all know what we should do? We should take our husband to lunch, shouldn't we? Yeah. I want to eat. It's almost time for him to eat. So I'm going to go throw on some clothes and I'm going to take my husband to lunch. That's what I'm going to do. Spend a little time with him, laugh with him a little bit before I got to be to work. Yep, let's do that. Y'all, I asked my husband on a lunch date and he said, sure, come scoop him. So I'm excited. So now we got to figure out what we're going to wear. I already wet my hair, just reviving these curls. I literally do the same thing to my hair every day. Put some water on it, put a little gel in it, and we are good to go. Anyway, let's figure out what we're going to wear to this date. Now we got to look cute. Oh, hi, welcome to the closet. Yeah, I really love, if y'all, I have a video about my closet long time ago, but if y'all really need a closet organization, the PAX system is the bomb. The PAX system is the bomb. I love it so much. I wish my closet was bigger than this. I'm thinking about when my oldest son leaves, because he'll be getting his own place soon, I want to like let Antonio have this one and just get me a whole room and make it like my little closet area. That's doing too much? A little bit, but not really, but a little bit. All right, so this is what we have settled on. I don't know if y'all can see that. Just some casual, loose fitting pants, a little cool shirt because it is so hot outside, and just some sandals, and of course these shades. So this is it. So let's go pick him up. Oh, and let's not forget our wallet because we're gonna pay for him today. Grab that. that. Grab my wallet. All right, now we're ready.
I got things to do. Do you mind if I call you on FaceTime? On the West Coast, so it's late night. I'ma make time if you make time. I'ma make time if you make time. I just wanna see the top with you. I just wanna be in the drop with you. I just wanna spin the block with you. I just wanna spend some nights with you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you.
You didn't say hey.
Hey to what?
To the people.
Oh,
I
hello,
told them
folks.
that I told them I was taking you out to lunch.
Oh, that's why I paid?
Yeah, right. Don't lie. And you know what? When I left the house, I'm like, let's make sure we get our wallet because we're gonna pay today. Tell them I paid for you.
Barely.
Whatever. I paid y'all.
She paid, y'all. She paid this time.
Anyway, switching cars. Now off to get the boy from school. Hey, dude.
Hey.
How was school?
Cookie. Good.
Why you, excuse me, that's my cookie and that's my drink. Daddy got this for you. Really?
What? Do I have to go to school tomorrow?
Yes.
But we having a substitute on Friday and
Well, I already told you're not going to be there Friday.
and tomorrow. So what's the point? I ain't gonna do no work.
Well, you'll be there because mommy has stuff to do.
And guess what? I'm not going to school.
Yes, you are. Should we vlog your
Yeah, ruin it. Oh,
You think we should vlog
birthday?
your birthday trip?
Yeah.
We should.
Can you give me the Chicago lens for my birthday?
Talk to your brother and your uncle about that.
I already told him.
I got things to do. Talking me plus you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. Only if you say so. Only if you say so.